5 types of chiropractic adjustments provided by the chiropractors. Now many people are seeking chiropractic treatment for various causes such as sports injuries, accidents, muscle strains. Chiropractors is using hands-on spinal manipulation and other treatments for treating pain in arms, neck, legs, headaches. In general, the chiropractic adjustments are primarily used as a pain relief alternative for muscles, bones, joints, connective tissue. Moreover, chiropractors are using several techniques to alleviate the pain of patients. Below points define the chiropractic adjustments provided by the chiropractors. Muscle energy technique. Main purpose of the muscle energy technique is to increase the range of motion. During the process, patients have to perform several activities to get relief from pain. Light anesthesia technique. When the traditional adjustments are stopped, light anesthesia is used by the chiropractors. People who are feeling nervous or tenses continuously are choosing it as a treatment option. Direct thrust technique. A special technique used for treating particular areas of the spine that causes cracking noise. During the treatment, a high-velocity force is used that is called a low-amplitude high-velocity thrust. Functional technique. In this technique, the chiropractors are applying slight pressure to a joint to release all the tension, tightness. Throughout the treatment, the pressure is applied until the pain is relieved from joints. Articulatory technique. Main purpose of the articulatory technique is to increase the movement of the joints. In this treatment, the chiropractors rotate, move, and flex the joints through motions. Conclusion. Through the different chiropractic adjustments, you can get relief from body pains. So, consult with a reputed chiropractor for getting effective chiropractic adjustments. Thank you.